the interview. So I'll go and post back interviews. And then I'll be over there. Start the warm up well, yeah? Come on.
Right side, focus here, lads. Focus here, right side. As usual, vamos.
Let's go.
Well, let's chance. Let's go.
Come on!
Let's go!
Chelsea welcome Brighton Hove Albion to Stamford Bridge in the third round of this season's Carabao Cup. Whilst the two clubs have become particularly familiar with one another in recent times, tonight's tie is actually the first time they've ever been paired together in the League Cup. The Blues, London's first and most recent winners of this competition, saw off Wimbledon here in round two. This is Albion's first game in this season's Carabao Cup. They've never won it and were knocked out by League One side Charlton on penalties last season. Managed to find Cole Palmer as well. He's turned back in field. Oh, he's threaded a beautiful ball through for Martson as well. And Martson off Van Hacker, and it'll spin away for a throw, but promise for Chelsea. Oh, that's a poor ball from Eagle, straight to Jackson. Got support from Palmer, might not need it here. Oh, a little nudge, referee has a look, not convinced there was enough for a penalty. Oh, give it away to Palmer. Mudryk offering him some support, Palmer going alone. Got it on target, but didn't quite get the power required. Mudryk, can he get on the end of this? Mudryk rode the tackle, and second time round. Referee says corner rather than penalty. Chilwell clipped it. Oh, the shot was deflected on its way through. It's got Palmer waiting for the cutback. Cole Palmer! Oh, unlucky. Would have been a great goal. Good from Mykhailo Mudryk again. He's had a good first half. Nice ball for Palmer. Can he find room for a shot? He's fed it through for Jackson! And Chelsea lead! A goal for Nicholas Jackson! A goal that brings a huge sense of relief around Stamford Bridge. How Chelsea have needed that. Nicholas Jackson makes it Chelsea 1, Brighton Hove Albion 0. A most welcome goal. Colwell out to Mudryk. Might run for Nicholas Jackson here. Jackson's through. Can he make it two? So Brigham makes the save first time. It's come out for Palmer. Here's Martson. Caicedo. Palmer couldn't take it. Jackson can. Nicholas Jackson! Flags up. It's not going to count. It's going to be worth another look. Jackson thought he had his second of the night.
He still thinks he's got it.
He's going to be disappointed when he turns around. Chelsea ball as well. There's the final whistle. A most welcome win for Mauricio Pochettino and Chelsea. The goal from Nicholas Jackson, enough to see the Blues through to round 4. A much improved performance all round. Palmer's brilliance allowed Jackson to get the goal. Chelsea will be in the hat for the draw, which will be made momentarily. Sam, without wishing to put too much stock into one result, this feels like it could be an evening we reflect on as being one of some importance come the end of the season.